I saw this clip where I go play very soon, and I think it worth sharing. It good make we put hand make am go viral because e get better people wey we still get for that Nigeria. No matter say some people they act somehow, like say this, they like say they don't know wetin dey happen, how they marginalize the Igbos. But e get some people wey still know. I go play am make you hear am by yourself because it's good for your mouth.
No, I have looked at the people he's putting together. I'm a little bit uncomfortable with the fact that, if I be honest with you, both of us are Yoruba men, that it's beginning to seem that our people are they're going to get the best of the cherries. And if you want me to tell you what, I can tell you the things we've gotten already and the things that are likely to get. What are those? Come on, man. We're in charge of customs. We're in charge of police. We're in charge of army. We're in charge of CBN. We're in charge of IRS. We're in charge of taxation. We're in charge of appropriation. So, have we become such a people that we can only be fair when we're talking about other people? I am beginning to see a pattern that we're getting. All of the cream is coming to us. And what we will not accept from Buhari, who was even fairer to us than he was to his people, we must be brave enough to say this is not the right way to go even for us. We're not going to suddenly become a parochial people who insist that all of the things in the country, Yoruba people are the... Listen, Joe, does it not prick your soul that you are putting 10 in one place, 9 in one place, 7 in one place, 5 in one place, and you're giving the Southeast Igbos 5? And I can tell you for free, Shehu, there is no mental capacity, validation, education, authentication that you are looking for in the world that you will not find within the Igbos, either in Nigeria or in the diaspora. Why would you now start telling me that you can get 10 from the northwest, you can get 9 from the southwest, and you are telling me that you can only get 5 from them? So these are the issues.
If you go to the comment section, there's one comment I just spotted. Here say, did Igbo vote for him or Obi? So these are people, but they are preaching to peace, to heal up. Because if Peter Obi was one we voted, who won? Now Peter Obi won. And now, where intake idea enter there or take force enter there, if person wey get sense fit supposed to do something like, this is what I'm talking about, I fit handle this country very well, do something wey go look like say justification, share the ruling system, wey go make people even see and say, what this man is doing is fair, So these are some of the comments. I've been gently reading some comments. Say, God bless you for speaking out. We have to speak out. If you're Yoruba, if you be Igbo, if you be Hausa, why I'm televising this one, why I'm playing it is because na Yoruba. If na Igbo man, and they go say, Igbo people still find trouble. But this man is a Yoruba, so that's why it's exceptional. And make we praise people like this because he go carry hatred from him people just for saying the truth. Igbo people, they also say the truth. But why are we so curious? Where would they hunt this Biafra? They say most Igbo self no want government appointment. They want me to stay their own. We won't just get our own freedom. They go share. Igbo self not like themselves in the normal sense. Because tribe, when you come inside Igbo, we can still get some tribes where hate each other. Some they claim say that them be real Igbo. Some they claim say you are this, you are first class, second class, third class, even fifth class day for Igbo land. But that doesn't matter. What matters is understanding, prayer for those leaders. And where we they pray, we not only pray, we also have to be talking. Like as I'm talking, you they talk, everybody. And if you see person where they talk this one way good, promote them, share them, tell people about it so that we encourage people they talk good. Because if this man say there are a lot of ovation for waiting talk, he will say more. May God bless this man, Sha. And may God also bless you. We go share and like the video so that you go viral.